Hi, all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video, I explained about Pythagoras Theorem. Today, I am going to discuss about the problems. Question is asked like this. A rectangle has length 15 centimeters and width 8 centimeters. Find diagonal like this. This is rectangle. Okay. Length is equals to 15 centimeters. Width is equals to 8 centimeters. Okay. What he is asking? Find diagonal. Okay, diagonal means this. Let's A, B, C, D. A, B, C is a right angle triangle. See, it is Pythagoras. So, according to Pythagoras, AC square is equals to BD square plus CD square. Okay, what is given? AC is equals to, so AC square is equals to AD is 8 centimeters whole square plus CD is 15 centimeters whole square. Therefore, AC square is equals to 64 plus 15 225. Okay, 280. AC square is equals to 289 centimeters square. AC is equals to root 289 centimeters square. Here, for 289, we will get AC is equals to 17 centimeters. The question is asked like this in exam. A flagpole is 12 meters high. A rope is tied from top to a point 5 meters away from the base. Find the length of the rope. Okay. How we can solve this? First, a flagpole is 12 meters high. For example, take this flagpole which is 12 meters high. Okay. A rope is here, a rope from top here to a point. Okay, this one here to a point 5 meters away from the base. This is base. This is base 5 meters away. Okay, this length is clear. Find length of the rope. This one. This is rope actually. So we have to find the length of the rope. Okay, let's take A, B, C. You can observe this is right angle triangle. So B is 90 degrees. And the formula is AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equals to AB square is 12 meters and BC is plus 5 meters whole square. AC square is equals to 144, 12, 5, 5, 25. How much is this? 169 meters square. Okay. AC is equals to root 169 meters square. Means AC is equals to 13 meters. So, therefore, length of rope is equals to 13 meters. Okay. Now see, the question is given like this. Okay. First, read the question. The diagonal of the square, okay, is 10 root 2 centimeters. Find side of a square. See, first we will draw square. Okay. In square, all sides are equal. Okay. What is the given? Diagonal. This is diagonal. Okay. This is 10 root 2 centimeters. And we will say x, y, z. What is this? See, y is 90 degrees. Okay. Right angle, triangle. Now, x, z square is equals to x, y whole square plus y, z whole square. This is hypotenuse. Xz is hypotenuse. Xy is height. Yz is base. Okay. Now, xz is how much? 10 root 2 centimeter whole square. Xy is, see, a. So, a whole square plus yz is a. Okay. A square. Okay, a whole square. Now see, 10 root 2 centimeters whole square is equals to a square plus a square. See, 10 root 2 into 10 root 2 is equals to 2a square. Okay, 10 into root 2 is common. See, 10 into 10 common root 2 whole square. Okay, 100. Root 2 cancel. So, 100 into 2 is equals to 2a square. 200 is equals to 2a square. See, therefore 2a square is equals to 200. A square is equals to 200 by 2, which is 100. A square is equals to 100. A is equals to root 100. Therefore A is equals to 10. The side of square is A and it is 10 centimeters, because question is given centimeters here. Let's get into another question. Now see, an area of rectangle, see, rectangle is 60 centimeters and one side is 12 centimeters. Find the diagonal of the rectangle. How we do it? First, draw a rectangle like this. What is given? Area. Okay, area is equals to 60 centimeters and one side here 12 centimeters. Okay, let's take it. A, B, C, D. This one. Okay, we don't know this. Actually, this is base. Okay, and this is height. We want to find the diagonal. This is diagonal. What is given? Area. How we solve this? Therefore, area of the rectangle is half into base into height. Okay. So what is given? Half into base. It is given height. They given. We will take this 12 centimeters. Which is therefore half into base into 12 centimeters is equals to 60 centimeters, because the area of rectangle is 60 centimeters. They have given the value. Using this, we can solve the base. Okay, base into 12 centimeters is equals to, this 2 will go like this. Okay, 120 centimeters. Base is equals to 120 centimeters for 12 centimeters. Therefore, base is equals to 10 centimeters. Now we have base 10 centimeters and height 12 centimeters. By using Pythagoras formula, we can solve AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. By using Pythagoras formula, we can find the diagonal of the rectangle. AC square is equals to AB. AB means height. Height whole square plus base whole square. What is height? 12 centimeters. What is base? 10 centimeters whole square, which is 144 plus 100 244 centimeters square. AC is equals to 244 centimeters. AC is 15.60. Okay, see. Now the question is asked like this. Don't get confused. Observe the question. The top of the ladder is 15 meters, reaches a window 9 meters above the ground, which is base of the wall and that of a ladder. Generally, the questions are like this is very simple. But when we read, we don't understand what to do. Simple. Let's read clearly. First, the top of the ladder is here. Let's take a ladder. Ladder will be slantly positioned and here 15 meters means this. Okay, and reaches a window. This window. Okay, 9 meters. This is ground. Okay, 9 meters above the ground. Okay, what is base of the wall and that of a ladder? If this ladder landed on base, this one, we have to find base. Okay, now using Pythagoras theorem, A, B, C 90 degrees, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, which means 15 meters whole square is equals to AB is 9 meters whole square. BC is base. We don't know. So we have to find it. Okay. Like this is 225 meters square is equals to 81 meters square plus base square. Base square is equals to 225 meters square minus 81 meters square. 144. If you minus 225, 81, we'll get 144. B square is equals to. Therefore, B square is equals to 144 meter square. B is equals to root of 144 meter square. Base is equals to 12 meters. Therefore, base of wall is 12 meters, like this. Now, for short questions, they will ask like this. They give you the diagram and they will ask the questions. See here. Find the value of x. They given like this. L, M, N. M is 90 degrees and Ln is x square. Means, see. First we write formula. Ln square is equals to N square. Ln is x and length of Ln is 7 whole square plus Mn is 24 whole square. X square is equals to 49 plus 576. See, x square is equals to 625. This is x is equals to root of 625. Therefore, x is equals to 25. Example is given like this. Opposite to 90 degrees, this is hypotenuse. Therefore, BC square is equals to AB square plus AC square. BC is how much? 41. 41 whole square is equals to 9 square plus AC is x square. Okay. 9 9s 81 plus x square. 1681 minus 81 is equals to x square. 1600 is equals to x square. Therefore, x square is equals to 1600. X is equals to root 1600. X is equals to 40. Given like this, don't get confused. Anything opposite to a right angle triangle is hypotenuse. Therefore, 17 whole square is equals to 8 square plus x to 89. Okay, 8 8 64 plus x square. X square is equals to 289 minus 64. So, therefore, x square is equals to 5 to 25. X is equals to root 225. Therefore, x is equals to 15. Okay.
Thank you. This is YSR. I post videos like this every week. Subscribe so you don't miss out.